get it, it's going to be connected with a strike plate and the magnet attached. So you're just going to want to pull those apart. They're two separate pieces. One will be attached right here to the swinging part of the gate, and the other will be attached right here to the stagnant part of the gate. You're going to receive 4 screws and 8 washers. You want to place this type of washer on first, and the next one on right after that. Then it will go through the strike plate into the board. You want to use 9/16 to tighten. After everything is secured and tightened, you're ready to go. The magnet will hit the strike plate and keep it in place.